We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users have to say about the Fidget Pen, Magnetic Fidget Cool Gadgets Pen, Decompression Magnet Pen Fidget Toy by Waipun. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Fidget Pen stands out as a multifunctional writing instrument that doubles as a magnetic fidget toy. It is designed to relieve stress and anxiety, offering users a creative outlet for their restless energy. This pen is not just a writing tool, but also a tactile gadget that can be rotated, transformed, and combined into various shapes, such as swords, robots, and monsters. Its versatility is a key attraction, making it a popular choice for teens and adults seeking both productivity and relaxation in a single product. The pen's compact size, measuring 6.6 by 2.3 by 0.7 inches and weighing 6.4 ounces, ensures it is portable and easy to carry in a pocket, bag, or desk drawer. The build quality is notable, with a smooth, polished exterior that feels premium and an ergonomic shape that provides comfort during extended use. The magnetic components are securely encased, allowing for endless fidgeting without fear of magnets detaching or losing their strength over time. Users consistently praise the pen's aesthetic appeal, especially in the rainbow variant, describing it as vibrant and visually calming. The magnetic mechanism is a major highlight, offering a satisfying tactile experience. The magnets are strong and precisely engineered, enabling a range of interactions such as spinning, sliding, and flipping. This feedback is both intuitive and engaging, catering to simple stress relief as well as more complex fidgeting routines. The pen's design encourages prolonged engagement without causing fatigue, making it suitable for use during work, study, or creative sessions. As a writing instrument, the Fidget Pen performs reliably. The ink flows smoothly, with no skipping or blotting, and the pen's balanced construction supports fluid writing. This makes it a practical choice for note-taking, journaling, or everyday writing tasks. Users appreciate the dual functionality, noting that it allows them to remain productive while also managing stress and anxiety. The pen's therapeutic benefits are frequently mentioned in reviews. For individuals dealing with anxiety, stress, or the need for sensory stimulation, the Fidget Pen provides a discreet and effective outlet. Fidgeting with the pen helps release nervous energy, calm jittery hands, and improve focus during meetings, studying, or creative work. Many users report that the pen has become an essential tool for maintaining a balanced mindset, especially during hectic or demanding days. The Fidget Pen's appeal extends to its versatility as a gift. It is described as an ideal present for teens, friends, or anyone interested in gadgets, stress relief, or creative play. Its unisex design and universal appeal make it suitable for birthdays, Christmas, or as a thoughtful gesture for colleagues and loved ones. The pen's discreet appearance allows it to blend seamlessly into professional and personal environments, from classrooms to offices to home workspaces. Durability is another strength of the Fidget Pen. The construction is robust, with magnets that remain effective over time and an exterior that resists scratches and wear. Users report that the pen withstands drops and frequent use without showing signs of damage. This reliability is attributed to meticulous design and careful craftsmanship, ensuring that the pen continues to perform at a high level for years. Despite its many strengths, the Fidget Pen is not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported receiving broken magnetic rings or fewer refills than expected, indicating occasional quality control issues. There are also reports of the pen breaking easily in some cases, particularly with rough handling or excessive force. These experiences highlight the importance of careful use and the potential need for improved packaging or manufacturing oversight. However, most users find the pen to be of good quality and easy to assemble, with positive experiences outweighing the negatives. The pen is recommended for users aged 12 and up, and adult supervision is advised for younger children due to the presence of small magnetic parts. In summary, the Fidget Pen by Waipun is widely regarded as an innovative and enjoyable gadget that successfully combines the functions of a pen and a fidget toy. Its magnetic mechanism provides endless opportunities for creative play and stress relief, while its writing performance meets the needs of everyday users. The pen's durability, aesthetic appeal, and versatility as a gift contribute to its strong reputation among gadget enthusiasts and those seeking practical solutions for anxiety and focus. Whether you are looking for a unique addition to your desk, a thoughtful gift, or a tool to help manage stress, the Fidget Pen offers a compelling combination of fun, functionality, and therapeutic benefit. Based on user feedback, it is highly recommended for fidget lovers and anyone in need of stress relief. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed choice. For more details or to purchase, the link to the product is in the description. Supporting the channel by using the provided link helps us continue delivering in-depth reviews. The Fidget Pen stands as a testament to how creativity and engineering can enhance everyday objects, making them both useful and enjoyable.